Noting papers allow the DSB to raise issues for informal consultation, distinct from the formal consultation process via decision proposals. This is a summary of Noting Paper 357. The DSB has conducted several consultations on incorporating the last Consumer Change Date, LCCD, into the Consumer Data Standards. On 28th of August 2024, the Data Standards Body, DSB, held a further consultation, an online workshop with data recipients. Previous LCCD consultations were primarily with data holders and government agencies. Noting Paper 357 provides a summary of the workshop that includes the key issues, risks, benefits, opportunities, and the DSB's proposed next steps. The workshop explored issues data recipients and consumers encounter with currently available historical electricity usage data and whether the Consumer Data Rights CDR could provide solutions by supporting LCCD. Workshop participants included data recipients, Solving Zero, Energy Flex, Volta Rocks and Automized Energy, and an industry representative, Consumer Data Advocacy. Current risks and issues. Switching and data loss. Access to usage data is limited to the time a consumer has been with the current provider. When a consumer switches providers, usage data from previous providers is not available via CDR. To address this limitation of electricity usage data, the LCCD field was introduced in AEMO's Market Settlement and Transfer Solution, MSATS, in November 2023. Cost and security. Data recipients cited high costs, privacy and security issues arising from the loss of historical data. Data recipients must collect, store and maintain data from multiple sources. Processes may include manual input. Data can be incorrect and may also include information about previous tenants. Benefits and opportunities of LCCD in CDR. Workshop participants supported LCCD incorporation in the consumer data right. Using LCCD would enable continuity and completeness of electricity usage data when consumers switch retailers. Cost and security. Workshop participants suggested that access through a single source, the CDR, would reduce costs, security risks, and maintenance issues. Using the CDR would be more secure. Participants considered that risks from incorrect LCCD values did not arise from its use in the CDR. Additional benefits of LCCD in CDR. Data recipients identified further value in CDR supporting LCCD. This included allowing consumers to provide evidence of residency. LCCD can capture how long a consumer has occupied a premise. Without LCCD, occupancy information is limited to a single energy retailer. Participants noted potential for greater competition. Participants other than retailers could offer energy plans, making it easier for consumers to switch providers. Assessment. Workshop participants agreed unanimously that LCCD should be incorporated into the CDR based on the risks, issues, and opportunities discussed. Participants agreed that supporting LCCD in CDR would address usage data challenges and would afford better outcomes for consumers. Next steps. Based on this workshop's outputs and all previous feedback, the DSB will proceed with Phase 2 consultation. This will consult on the appropriate changes to the standards to incorporate LCCD. If you have an interest in these topics, read NP 357 for full details. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.